Good morning and welcome to UND's weather update. My name is Dylan Vogt. Looking at our national satellite and radar to get the big picture, we do have to our south this snow system that moved throughout the night into Wisconsin and Michigan, where they could see quite a bit of snow today. But that's not the story for us here in the valley. We had these clouds that persisted throughout the night, and they're still out there. The satellite and radar just isn't doing a very good job picking that up. As we look outside right now, like I said, overcast skies. It's kind of a freezing drizzle falling from the skies right now. Roadways are wet, and there are some slick spots, especially on bridges. Sitting at 34 degrees, wind out of the south-southwest at 10 miles per hour. Looking at those roadways, so it's pretty nasty throughout the region. We have some wet roadways down I-29. Up here to the northeastern part of the state, this is ice. Straight glazed ice in some of those roads. And here along Highway 2, as you head to the Devil's Lake Basin, some patchy ice. Now looking at the other side of the border, over at Minnesota, we have the same kind of story. Partially covered roadways in this blue area, which a lot of slick spots, and we have some pink areas that do kind of show up here in the northwestern part of the state, and that is completely covered icy roadways. So if you are traveling today, make sure to watch out for that. Because of that, we are in a winter weather advisory until 12 p.m. today because of that freezing drizzle that's going to kind of persist throughout the morning hours and stop sometime mid-afternoon. And that is for stretches all the way down to St. Cloud, all the way back up here to the Canadian border. Looking at our temperatures right now, we have this cold front that is just to the west of us here in the valley. On the other side of that, a lot cooler temperatures. With those cooler temperatures, high pressure system actually is going to slowly push off to the east and try and clear us out throughout the day today. Look at that in the futurecast. Before I forecast headlines, a very slippery morning. Watch out if you're driving or even the sidewalks are slippery in spots. Be aware for that. Staying mild though as we head throughout the weekend through Thanksgiving, and a very warm weekend, especially for our Saturday. For our futurecast, we do have this system down in Wisconsin and Michigan that's slowly going to push off to the east. But for our area, this cold front's going to slowly push off to the east as well. But the clouds are going to kind of linger on throughout the afternoon as this high pressure slowly lags behind it. As we head throughout the night tonight into tomorrow morning, this high pressure system's finally going to make its way over here and clear us out sometime tonight into tomorrow morning. And the wind's going to start coming out of the southwest. Those southwest winds and the southerly winds are really important for our temperatures tomorrow. As you can see, tomorrow at 3 p.m., they're really starting to pick up tomorrow, and that's going to bring us some nice and warm temperatures for our Wednesday. For today in Grand Forks, 37 degrees, freezing drizzle through the morning hours into early afternoon. A very wet morning, and we're going to stay cloudy as we head throughout the afternoon. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10, switching to the northwest after that cold front pushes on through. Today throughout the region, you can see 30s to the west part of the viewing area, but high 30s and some 40s throughout much of Minnesota. Big story though for the valley in Minnesota is that freezing precip that's going to last through the morning. Tonight in Grand Forks, 13 degrees cold. The winds are going to switch once again, starting out of the northwest at 5 to 10, switching to the south-southwest, bringing us that much warmer air to our south. Tomorrow in Grand Forks, 35 degrees and sunny. Really a beautiful day if it wasn't for those winds out of the south at 10 to 15, gusting up to 20. Regardless, a beautiful sunny November day. Future weather for tomorrow out west, beautiful. Mid-40s, 44 in Minot, 46 in Bismarck, 50s in parts of southwestern South Dakota. But as you get into areas of Minnesota, they're going to struggle to get out of the 30s. Finally, for our 7-day forecast, today 37 at that freezing drizzle throughout mid-morning and early afternoon. But as we head closer to our Turkey Day, 35 degrees and mostly cloudy is the forecast. As we move into the weekend, 40s are back for Saturday before we drop below freezing early next week.